Good morning, Year 4. Hope you're okay. And welcome to our maths lesson today, 27th January. It's flying by. I can't believe it. Most of January has gone. Right, okay, so yesterday I left you to do your think together on your own. It says you have to work out what Tia spends on the large fish tank and the clownfish. There are your amounts, £275 at 61. Let's see if you got it right. So Mrs. Bostock has already wrote it on the board, 275 at 61. 5, add 1 more is 6. 7, add 6, let's put 7 in ahead and count on 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And no, we can't put 13 in our tens column because 10 tens make 100, and that's exactly what we've done here. So that 100 that we made needs to go in our hundreds column. We need to rename it. Perfect. So 2, and always remember to the one that the 100 that you've made. Make sure that you remember to add in. Sometimes it's difficult to forget. Sometimes it's really easy to forget. So 2 add 1 is 3. So she spent £336 on a fish tank and a clownfish. If you were to do it with your Deans, this is what you would have done. You would have laid them out like this, 275, and then you'd have your 61 underneath. Okay, let's count them. Let's make sure that this is right. It's a way of checking. Another method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always start in your ones column. Let's count how many tens we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know 10 tens make 100. So we need to put that 100 in our hundreds column. And I'm just going to scribble them out. You'd cross them, but I'm going to get rid of them like that. Now we've got 3 tens and 3 hundreds. Perfect. Okay, the next one, it's asking you to explain why those two, 226 at 157 and 156 at 27. What do you notice about that? What did you notice when you were adding those together? Okay, so on the board, as you can see, I've got 126 add 57, 156 add 27. Let's count them up. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Hopefully you know before I do. So help me out here. 6 add 7. Always start at our ones, remember. 6 add 7. 6 in our head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, can I put 13 ones in my ones column? Can I put my 13 in my ones column? No, because 10 ones make 10. I made 10. So we need to rename my tens column and put my 10 there. 5 add 2. 5, 6, 7. And remember the 1 that we've just put over there. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 add 0 is 1. Okay, so that's that one. Let's do this one. Wonder what happens. 6 add 7, 6 in our head, 6, and we count 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, can I have 13 in my tens in my ones column? No, because 10 ones make 10, and that's what we've created here. So we have to rename it and pop it in our tens column. 2 add 5, put 2 in our head, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then that one, 8, don't forget that one, it's important. 8. 1 add 0 is 1. So what do we notice? What's happened? Perfect. So you should know that actually they are the same answers. Why? Why are the same answers? Did you work it out? So basically, they've just been reversed. These two are exactly the same. The ones column are exactly the same. This one is 5 add 2. This one's 2 add 5. 2 add 5, 5 add 2. 2 add 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 add 2 is 5, 6, 7. It's exactly the same sum, but just switched around the other way. Exactly the same. You should have noticed that. Okay, last but not least, number 3. Mark and Poppy wanted to write their additions in columns. What mistakes have they made? All right, let's see, let's investigate. Let's see what mistakes they have made. Okay, right, okay. On here, we've got the 2 sums. Let's see what happened. Let's just revert back, actually, and write down what they put on the board so that you can remember to save me in fact, no, I'm going to keep it on there so we can see actually where they've gone wrong. So let's have a look at Mark. What's Mark done wrong? 154 add 72. 4 add 2, 4 in our heads, 4 add 2 more, 4, 5, 6. So he's got that one right. So the ones column is right. Let's have a look at 5 add 7. Let's put 5 in our head. 5 add 7 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. We know we can't put 12 in our tens column because 10 tens makes 100. So we leave our tens there. We put our 100 here. We must forget that. So he's done that one right. And then 1 add our 100 equals 2. Oh, what did Mark do? Mark forgot to add that 100 that we made from our tens column. He forgot it, didn't he? So he only put 1 and it should be 2. Uh-oh, silly Mark. Let's have a look what Poppy did wrong. 4 add 7. Let's put 4 in ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, look what Poppy did. Poppy did, she put 11 in our ones column. We can't have 11 in our ones column because what have we created? We've created 10 ones makes 10. So we've got to put that in our tens column. Uh-oh, silly Poppy. Let's see if she went wrong anywhere else. 6 add 2 is 6, 7, 8. Remember that 1? Is 9. What did Poppy put? Again, she put 8 because she didn't rename the tens column. She left it in the ones column. So that was never there to add for her. Let's see if she's done anything wrong in the hundreds column. 1 and 0 is 1. So the hundreds is right. That's why it's really important to rename your columns. Right. I hope you got on with that really well. So that was just a sharing lesson. Okay, wonderful. So we've done our thing together. I'm really confident that you can have a good go at your book work. So today you are going to go on to page 66. Page 66, adding a 3-digit and a 2-digit number together. It's pretty much the same as what we've done already. Again, you can use your Dean's or just your column method like here. So here you're adding 168 and 23, and then your total goes in here and in there, and the same for this one. So what I would like to do is questions 1, 2, 3, and 4, if you can. That would be perfect. Don't worry about number 5. Again, if you want to have a go at number 5, that's fine. All I would expect you to do is number 1, 2, 3, and 4 on page 66. Okay? Have a lovely day, stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.